Feed Our Homeless is a superb charity based in Dublin.
We, the staff in Tony College, would like to support this charity in these difficult times.
Between parents, students and teachers in the college, we have built a strong link with this charity.
How are you going to do this?
Next week, between Thursday and Saturday, we're going to do an SDW charity fundraiser.
What this means is that the staff in the college will do one of the following.
Shave their hair, dye their hair, or wear a wig for the day.
We're asking that the whole community of Tony College, past and present, get behind this event.
What can we do to help?
We're asking you to donate, if you can, to our GoFundMe page, which is available on all our social media platforms.
All before and after photos will be posted on our school's Twitter page from Thursday the 14th to Saturday the 16th of May.
Let's try in these difficult times to come together to support those less fortunate than ourselves.
Thanks everyone from everybody at Turn Your College and Feed Our Homeless for all the support.
Let's break this 10 grand target, guys. Stay healthy and stay safe.